Such rocks. In this video we will see how to lock apps on your iPhone. It's very simple process to lock single application and specific put the password. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Now let's start as a mobile. Now let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here your setting application. Inside the settings, several menu is available, or the screen time is available here. You just simply click here screen time. Inside the screen time, first of all you insert here, so different options are come, so you allow the screen time here and several options are available here. So here app limit, you click here app limit and you select here some of the application, put it here, enter your passcode and so on simply. So which application you want, put it the password and hide so no one are access without your permission. So I just simply select some of the social, so WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, just simply 3 application I select here. Next, so every day I select here like a 0 hours and minute, so I just simply select here 1 minute. Every day I can use directly just only 1 minute every day, and after my application, my phone are asking me password if I am again open this particular application, or anyone can access the application, need to put it password. Add, so I select here 3 applications. Now I need to wait 1 minute and then after I can very easily, and that's it. Look at this here, my Instagram is locked, my WhatsApp is locked, and second application I select here Facebook is locked. The icon is totally changed. If I open this application like this, so my limit is already finished, time limit, you reach your limit on Instagram. If you again access, so okay, ask for more time, so I select here, click here ask more time. If you go with 1 more minute, so very easily access the particular Instagram. We can open, otherwise we can open here Facebook. So ask for more time. If you need to ask more time, just only 1 minute, and then after again ask the password, and here enter screen time password. So if I put it here the specific password, and then approve for 15 minutes, approve for 1 hours, approve for all day, so I just simply select here up 15 minutes, and that's it. It's very simple to open application after put it the passcode using your iPhone. No need to install third-party software and doing same process. You can apply and lock your application. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.